Let's start, Priya.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning to everyone.
Good morning.
My name is Priya. Thank you for giving this opportunity for one-on-one conversation. And my name is Priya Lokhandan. I am here for one-on-one conversation with Priyamdi.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
My name is Priyam Pakade. I am studying in class 8th and thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to one-on-one conversation with Priya.
Hello,
Priya. How are you?
I am fine and you?
I am also fine. What are you doing nowadays?
I am studying in 8th class from Sarda High Secondary School and I have joined Wisdom Education Academy to improve my English. And what about you?
I study in class 8. Apart from that, I also joined Wisdom Education Academy to improve my English.
So what are your hobbies?
My hobby is playing volleyball and listening music. And what is your hobby?
My hobbies are playing, dancing and cooking. So where you play volleyball?
I play volleyball in ground.
Oh, so in which ground?
In volleyball ground.
Oh, so what do you want to become?
I want to become a doctor. And by the way, what do you want to become?
I want to become an engineer. So how you become a doctor?
I will qualify NEET and then MBBS.
Oh, so from where will you study for your MBBS?
I don't know now.
Oh, okay. So which is your favorite season?
My favorite season is winter season. And what is your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer. So what do you do in winter?
In winter, I wear jackets and play outside. And why do you like the summer season?
I like summer season because in summer we eat ice cream and we went to our nanny's home and etc. So which is your favorite festival?
My favorite festival is Diwali and Holi both. And which is your favorite festival?
My favorite festival is Diwali and Holi. So why we celebrate Diwali?
Diwali is celebrated because after 14 years, Lord Ram came back to Ayodhya and the Ayodhya people, Lord Ram welcomed with diyas and lights.
And how we celebrate Diwali?
I celebrate Diwali with my family and in Diwali we burn firecrackers and before Sunday of Diwali we clean our homes and decorate our homes with light, lamps, rangolis, etc. And how do you celebrate Diwali?
I also celebrate Diwali with my family and before Diwali we purchase new clothes and clean our houses and my mother makes very sweet snacks and etc.
Okay.
So from where you study?
I study in Atne.
In which school?
My school name is Vidyanand Charan Academy School Atne. And where is your school located?
My school is located in Sadar.
And what is the name of your school?
My school name is Sarda High Secondary School.
So can you describe your school?
Yes, I can describe my school. There are one building in my school, one playground, and there are too many swings, and there is a good teacher staff and etc.
So which is your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher is Nagle ma'am.
So why you like Nagle?
Because she is very kind and good. Okay, so I am getting late. Nice to talk to you.
Nice.